crashing, not launching, black screen on PC. Nasht 1. Verify game files. Open the EA app or Steam. Select EA Sports College Football 27. Click Repair EA app or Verify integrity of game files Steam. Wait for the process to complete. Launch the game again. 2. Update graphics drivers. Download the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Install the update, restart your PC, launch the game. 3. Run the game as administrator. Locate the game executable. Right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. Check if the game launches correctly. Number 4. Disable EA app and Discord overlay. Open the EA app. Disable in-game overlay. Turn off the Discord overlay if enabled. Restart the game. 5. Install the latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Launch the game. Number 6. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close unnecessary apps. Disable MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, RGB software, and recording software. Launch the game again. Number 7. Force high-performance GPU. Open Windows graphics settings. Add EA Sports College Football 27. Select high performance. Save the changes. Restart the game. 8. Install Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. Install the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributables x64 and x86. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. Number 9. Disable antivirus temporarily. Temporarily disable your third-party antivirus. Add the game folder to the antivirus exclusions list. Launch the game. Re-enable antivirus after testing. 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall EA Sports College Football 27. Restart your PC. Download and install the latest version. Launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. These steps can help fix EA Sports College Football 27 crashing, not launching, black screen, startup crashes, and freezing issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.